I am very, very happy to be here at the launch of this court building. As I said, for many reasons. As some of the speakers have quite correctly stated, Nakuru is my home. I did my pupillage here. I started my practice here. I practiced here for 25 years, and it is from here that just Souko gave me a call that I had been identified for appointment to the High Court. Those days, we had not started competitive appointments. And from here is when here is where I went to the judiciary. I was telling the judges and the staff here that for those years, I know every corner of this building. As a matter of fact, let me tell you that one time, while consulting with my client, down here in these cells down here, I think the prison officers were few, and I was put in one of the cells with my client, and that guy locked the door to the cells. He told me I'm coming back. He forgot me there, and I spent the whole lunch hour in the cells. That tells you why it is important to have a good premises with ventilated cells. Your Excellency, you saw when we walked down there. We have been keen to make sure that the cells are very well ventilated and they are clean and decent. For the very simple reason that those who we hold there are our fellow Kenyans. And you know the law is that until somebody is found guilty, he is still innocent, and we must be very, very careful with that. Even those who have been convicted deserve to be held in a decent place. Even though many of those who have spoken before me have welcomed me to Nakuru, I'm the one who should be saying Karibu, since this station has been my home for a long time. As I said, as you know, I practiced here for many years before becoming a judge, and Nakuru is my home. Those who don't know, my residence is here. It therefore gives me great pleasure to be here and very proud of this magnificent complex we have just launched today. It represents the great transformation that the judiciary has experienced in the recent past. We all know that when you are working in a good environment, productivity, Your Excellency, the governor, is even higher. If you see some of the places, some of the court premises where we are operating from, if some of the public health officers went there, they will close them. I'm very happy to be here to officiate over the opening of this building with very modern facilities. This is the fourth of the new look court buildings that we are launching after Nanyuki, Isiolo, and Kakamega. These are the futuristic courts that have been designed with the help of the CUCs, that is the court users committees, and they incorporate many unique facilities. For example, this building will not only host the judiciary staff, but also contains offices for key justice sector partners, such as the ODPP, the prisons, the probation, and the police. And this is what we are recommending, that as we seek for funding, let us get sufficient funding to do buildings where we can have those critical justice sector partners also housed for our efficiency and ease of work. Further, we have incorporated many features that safeguard the dignity of all the court users, including those that are here as suspects. That's why we have introduced segregated cells with separate facilities for the police, the prisons, with each of them having separate cells for male and female, as well as for juvenile